Kids, let's learn ABC alphabets today. A for apple.
A for apple.
B for bird.
B for bird.
C for cat.
C for cat.
D for dolphin.
D for dolphin.
E for earth.
E for earth.
F for frog.
F for frog.
G for giraffe.
G for giraffe.
H for heart.
H for heart.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
J for juice.
J for juice.
K for key.
K for key.
L for leaf.
L for leaf.
M for mouse.
M for mouse.
N for notebook.
N for notebook.
O for owl.
O for owl.
P for panda.
P for panda.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
R for ring.
R for ring.
S for sun.
S for sun.
T for tree.
T for tree.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
V for violin.
V for violin.
W for watermelon.
W for watermelon.
X for xylophone.
X for xylophone.
Y for yacht.
Y for yacht.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.
Bravo!
Subscribe channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.